Let's learn how to attach a photo to an entry in the Journal app. If you want to add pictures to your entries but don't know how, you don't have to struggle anymore. After watching this video, you'll know how to do it. The first thing you need to do is open the Journal app. Once you've done that, you'll be on the home page. Now, if you want to add a photo to a new entry, you need to click on the plus sign located at the bottom center. After clicking, a page will open where you need to select the new entry option at the top. When you click that, a page will open where you first need to write your entry. After writing, you need to click on the camera icon if you want to take a new picture. If you want to add from the gallery, click on the photos icon next to the camera. When you click that, a page will open where you need to select a photo and click Done. If you want to add a photo to an existing entry, you need to click on the 3 dots next to that entry. When you click that, a menu will appear where you need to select the Edit option. After that, click on the camera icon or Photos, and then add the picture. That's it. You've successfully added a picture to your entry. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.